मैं समय हूँ। मैं किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता।
Hello everyone, this is Kunal Bhausar, Youth Chair at Esri Mumbai Chapter. We cannot always build future for our youth, but we can build our youth for the future. This quote from Mr. Franklin Roosevelt inspired us at Esri Mumbai Chapter, and we have decided to start a new initiative for the youth that is called Campus to Corporate. Campus to Corporate is a program designed as a series of workshops to professionally groom graduating or just graduated students so that they can quickly get accustomed to the corporate life. The topics of this workshop will inculcate the integrity, organizational values and culture among the graduates as they step out from the world of academics and embark upon their corporate life. This program will be conducted by industry professionals, which will enable young recruits to become upright corporate citizens and accomplished managers of tomorrow. The complete details of this program will be shared very soon on our social platforms. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
ISTL Plus. It is a reloaded version of Esri Student Technical League, brainchild of our dynamic president, Mr. R.N. Joshi. This year, it will be bigger and better. It is a flagship program of Esri Mumbai Chapter, and this year we would be involving architectural college students for creating the basic design and plan of the structure. Engineering students will then get on and will plan MEP services for this particular structure. It would be judged by who's who of the industry and the best of the brains of the industry. It would be a multi-society event, and it will be in a much grander scale than what it was on the previous edition. Friends, I particularly thank Mr. R.N. Joshi for giving me an opportunity to be convener of this particular ISTL Plus. I am Mihir Sangvi, and on behalf of Esri Mumbai Chapter, I urge all of you to stay safe, stay indoors, and take care of yourself and your family. All the best, friends.
Symposia is a flagship national event organized by ISHRE Mumbai chapter annually. Symposia this year is the 8th consecutive edition of this full-day event series, attended by close to 300 to 350 professionals. This financial year 2021, under the promising leadership of our President Mr. R.N. Joshi and President-elect Mr. Amod Dixit, we are pleased to announce Climate Change and Challenges as the theme for Symposia 2020. Considering the enormous variation in the climatic conditions around us, we at ISHRE believe that this program will benefit the industry at large. Symposia 2020 will cover challenges in designing the building exterior and interiors, MEP services, pre and post challenges during the construction stage, indoor air quality, and host of other issues. We will share the itinerary very soon. Till that time, I, Jayant Patekar, Program Chair and Convener Symposia, request you all to stay home, stay safe, stay healthy and stay connected. Thank you.
Architectonics. Architectonic is the great event which ISHRE Mumbai chapter conceptualized it last year. I still remember when I was sitting with the President Mihir Sanghvi, and we were discussing about this, and we just threw a light that why don't we bring architect on our panel, and we just gave a name of Architectonic, and then we all made announce in his opening speech, and he said that this year we will have a grand event. Later a lot of brainstorming happened in that, a lot of people involved. I can specifically name few, the incoming president Mr. R.N. Joshi, Mr. Amod Dixit, Mihir Azaz Qazi, Nasir was part of it. So we all discussed that how we can bring it in a larger way. So, and it was the first endeavor of ISHRE to collaborate more of architects bringing on that. But thankfully it went so well. We had a large number, more than 270, 280 architects were sitting in one room. That was the biggest earning for us, and I think this has taken a shape of a national program for us. And this year with the program chair, we are going to make sure that we'll make it much larger than the last year, and we will try to bring more innovative concepts in that, so that the architects and MEP engineers together can create a larger platform for coming generation. I, Sandeep Mendirata, Treasurer, incoming Treasurer of ISHRE Mumbai chapter, welcome you all, and wish you all that we are going to see a big picture of Architecton this year. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, I am Kishore Karle, Advocacy Chair of ISHRE Mumbai chapter for year 2020-21. This year we have planned to adopt a village under Unnat Bharat Abhiyan of Government of India. Under this activity, we will be adopting a village where we will be providing normal basic facilities like sanitation, water supply, basic education, creating a library for the students, technical training for the students, solar electricity and solar heating, etc. We have planned to associate with our entire team, our well-wishers and our members who are ready to come for this noble cause and to join hands with us, and also provide support to create these basic needs within the village. This activity will be conducted under advocacy and K-12 activity of ISHRE Mumbai chapter. Under this activity, students from the school of the village will be provided guidance for their studies and also will be involved in STEM type activities, environmental science activities to improve their basic skills and knowledge. It is also planned to train the youth for HVAC technician course with the basic knowledge and practical training to make them available employment opportunities in our HVAC field. We are also taking this as a first step towards our support and efforts to government initiative under Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, and we are confident that with the support of our members, sponsors and the entire team of IMC, will be successful in our first initiative to provide basic, better life support for the villages who are really need this support from the society. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Mukesh Sutar, Training Chair of ISHRE Mumbai Chapter. It brings me great pleasure in introducing to you our very own theory to practicals, trainings and workshops. As engineers, we have always referred to books, study materials, guides, etc. for answers. But the real knowledge in taking any project or task ahead lies in experience. Our experts, having plenty of experience in the field of HVAC, are now available to you through these trainings and workshops. Your years of unanswered doubts and queries can now be resolved just by getting yourself enrolled in these workshops. So what are you guys waiting for? It's time to outshine everyone with solutions and secrets that only you know.
Dear members, greetings from ISHRE Mumbai Chapter. My name is Sanjay Jadhav, Chair for Harit Jalvayu from ISHRE Mumbai Chapter. Harit Jalvayu is the event which is organized jointly by ISHRE Mumbai Chapter, IGPC and Indian Plumbing Association. This will be the 8th edition of Harit Jalvayu. During 7th edition, we have gone to basics. It is important for all of us to design a building with green building concepts, sustainable architecture and with minimum environmental degradation. It is important for all of us to have a maximum usage of natural resources, recycle and reuse material, environmental and energy efficient products usage and having a products developed which is energy efficient. Not only energy efficient, now during post-COVID-19 situations, it is important for all of us to have a good products with indoor air quality. It is a question of our sustenance. For a sustenance, we have to design a product and building jointly along with all the associations which will be energy efficient and which will be sustained for next 50 years. Who should attend this event? It is important for architects to attend this event, MEP contractors to attend these events. It is important for educational institutions to attend this event, MEP engineers to attend this event. In this event, we will be covering majority of manufacturers who will design innovative products which will be sustainable for the next 50 years. It is important for all of us to take care of our Mother Earth for post-COVID-19 situations. Look forward to see you all for Harit Jalvayu. Event details will be forwarded to you soon. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Parth Thakkar here, Student Chair at ISHRE Mumbai Chapter year 2021. We this year at ISHRE Mumbai Chapter as always are trying our best to innovate and cater to students with their needs in the technical field of HVAC and R. Student training this year is a series of training conducted by youth at ISHRE for college students to get them acquainted with the basics of the HVAC field. The training will prepare the students to enter HVAC field more comfortably with the basic knowledge of various topics like psychrometry, heat load calculations and HVAC system design and selection of HVAC field imparted to them. We will also make sure that we focus on relevant topics and topics important to youth for designing the future. We will also focus on energy efficiency, refrigeration and other topics relevant to their curriculum as well as their jobs taken up after the engineering course is over. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe. We will see you soon.